How to log in or sign in to your ChatGPT account with Google account. Well, hi everyone and welcome back to Login Science. Now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open any web browser. In the search bar, search for chat.openai.com. It will take you to this page. In order to log into your account, you must have created your ChatGPT account. If you don't have ChatGPT account, tap on sign up. It will take you to the page where you'll get to create a ChatGPT account. As we're looking forward on how to sign up with Google account, tap on continue with Google. Choose one of the Google account that you want to create your ChatGPT account. So let me choose this Google account. First of all, you need to verify your Google account. Follow the instruction given here, and once it is verified, it will lead you to this page. So this is it, your ChatGPT account has been created successfully with your Google account. Well, this is it for today, and this was a simple guidance on how to create your ChatGPT account with your Google account. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.